When you're starting out, you may feel like you're not very good at it. But that's okay, because everyone else has to start somewhere. The first step in learning something new is that it's okay to make mistakes. You're not going to be perfect right away, and that's okay, as long as you keep pushing through even though it gets hard. And trust me, it's okay to struggle. This is part of the learning process, and we all learn and get better from it. The more practice you'll get, the better you'll become. Even if it's for a few minutes a day, consistency will make all the difference. You may not see it right away, but you will get better. If you're feeling frustrated, take a break. Sometimes taking a break is good for you, and really, it gives you fresh eyes and renewed energy when you come back to it. And when you do finally master a new skill and accomplish something you didn't think was possible, acknowledge all your hard work. And don't forget to celebrate your success along the way. Most of us celebrate the end journey, but not the process. I know I'm not the best at hand tool joinery, but I'm embracing the struggle, I'm pushing forward through the challenge, and I'm being vulnerable about it because I know I'm not the only one going through this. So here's to getting better each and every day. Peace.